In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and start a meeting as a host in Google Meet. First, make sure you're signed in to your Google account in your web browser. Google Meet is tightly connected to your Google account, so being signed in is essential. Once you're logged in, open a new tab and go to the Google Meet website. You can also access it from the Google Apps menu. The small grid icon, usually found in the top right corner of most Google pages, and then choose Meet from the list of apps. When the Google Meet homepage loads, you'll see options to either start a new meeting or join an existing one. Since you're hosting, look for the button labeled New Meeting. Click that and you'll see a few choices, such as creating a meeting for later or starting an instant meeting. If you want to jump straight into a call, choose the Instant Meeting option. If you're planning something in advance, choose the option to create a meeting for later so you can share the link ahead of time. After choosing how you want to start, Google Meet will generate a unique meeting link. This link is what you'll share with your participants. You can copy it and send it through email, chat, or any communication tool your team uses. If you created a meeting for later, consider adding it to a calendar event so everyone has the link and the correct time saved in one place. Once your meeting has started, your camera and microphone controls will appear at the bottom of the screen. Before others join, take a moment to check your audio and video. Make sure your microphone isn't muted if you plan to speak right away, and confirm your camera is on if you want participants to see you. You can also change your background or adjust settings by clicking the settings icon, which helps if you need to switch microphones, speakers, or cameras. As the host, you'll see options to admit people who request to join, mute participants if there's background noise, and access host controls. Host controls let you decide who can share their screen, send chat messages, or turn on their microphone and camera. Adjust these depending on whether it's a formal presentation, a class, or a casual team meeting. When you're finished, simply click the End Call button to leave the meeting. If you're the last one to leave, the meeting will fully end for everyone. And that's how you create and start a meeting as a host in Google Meet.